Hi, I am Roshan. Welcome to Enjoy Your English. In today's lesson, we will talk about the present simple tense. Let me give you some examples. What do you do? I am a student. What do I do? You are a teacher. What does your father do? He is a farmer. What does your mother do? She is a housewife. What do? We learn lessons. What do? They read books. I, we, you, they live in Sri Lanka. He, she lives in Sri Lanka. In the affirmative, all verb forms are the same, but in the third person singular, we add s to the base form of the verb. Look at the spelling rules for the third person singular, S form. For most verbs, we add S. For example, eat, eats, read, reads, cook, cooks, play, plays. For verbs ending in ch, double s, sh, x, double set, we add es. For example, watch, watches, bless, blesses, wash, washes, mix, mixes, and buzz, buzzes. IES form. For verbs ending with a consonant plus y, drop the y and add IES. For example, carry, carries, study, studies, reply, replies. In negative forms, we use don't with the verb and doesn't in the third person singular. For example, I, we, you, they don't live in Sri Lanka. He, she doesn't live in Sri Lanka. In questions and short replies, we use do with I, we, you, they. But with he, she, it, we use does. Now we will look at when to use the present simple tense. We have three different situations. Let's go through them one by one. We use the present simple to talk about general truth or fact. For example, we live in Sri Lanka. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We use the present simple to talk about regular, repeated, habitual, or customary activity. I revise my lessons every evening. He goes to church on Sundays. We use the present simple to talk about how often we do things. For example, Ravi always goes to work early. He usually goes to bed at 10. She often plays netball. I sometimes go to school late. Raj rarely takes leave and never hurts anyone. These adverbs of frequency are often used in the present simple. Usually and sometimes can also go at the beginning or end of sentences. But the other adverbs can only go before the verb. When we use to be, they go after. For example, they are always punctual. That's all for today. Thank you and see you soon.